We're making Big Mac tacos. Everybody loves these things and they come together in no time. So let's get going. Grab a tortilla. This kind of breaks all the culinary rules, but just do it. Just trust me. Grab your 80-20 ground beef. Make sure it's 80-20. You want to have that fat in there so these don't dry out. And evenly spread them on the tortilla, making a nice thin layer so it cooks quickly and evenly. The meat will be fully cooked. Everything will be okay. Make sure you have a thin layer and go all the way to the edge of the tortilla, because as it cooks, fat's going to come out of the meat. It's going to shrink up a bit. Just repeat that process with all the meat and tortillas that you plan on making. Next, we're going to make some Big Mac sauce for the Big Mac tacos. Check out my video for the Big Mac sauce. Has all the ingredients, goes in depth, but it's really easy to make and it's super delicious. Once the Big Mac sauce is done, set that aside, keep it in the fridge, and we're going to fire up the grill. If you don't want to use the barbecue, I'm going to use the flat top cast iron half moon grate that I have. You could use it in the pan. Use my grill gun. Check out my video for this. Get 10% off this grill gun. You're ready to cook in like 10 minutes. Lay out all your beef, season it up, salt, pepper, and then we can start cooking these for the Big Mac tacos. Grill's nice and hot, throw them on there, and they're only going to take like a minute or two. What I found with these Big Mac tacos is as they cook, the tortilla will start to crisp up a bit. Now, when they're done, when you flip them, if you leave them on the cast iron grate, that tortilla will get nice and crispy. If you don't want it crispy, when you're ready to flip, just take them off of the grill and it'll be softer. Personally, I like the crunch. Some people don't, no big deal. Next, we'll grab the cheese, throw that on there, let the cheese melt, and then we'll just repeat the process with the rest of our Big Mac tacos. All the condiments are ready, chopped lettuce, pickles, Big Mac sauce. We'll assemble these and they'll be ready to eat. Just make sure your cooking surface is good and hot so we don't steam the meat. We want to get a good crust on the beef. All tacos are cooked, now we can assemble. Melted cheese, beef, crisp tortilla, Big Mac sauce, a little bit of shredded lettuce, and then some bread and butter chips. Make these Big Mac tacos. Thanks for watching.